Been a while since I recorded anything. This is something easier to show than tell. So, as mentioned in the post, with regular expressions, when you're looking for a tab character, it's going to be \T. So I'll hit tab on my keyboard right here, Control F. You see I have regular expressions enabled. This is Notepad++. And if I look for a \T, you can see I can find it there on the first line. When you copy and paste Excel cells into Notepad++ or any Notepad text editor, the cells are going to be separated by tabs. And to prove that, I'll just look it up again. Let's go \T, regular expressions enabled, find next. You can see between every cell, these are going to be tab delimited. In my personal use, this can help me do some quick transformations. Let's say I want to get rid of all the tabs and concatenate these. I can replace all the tabs with nothing. If I take that, copy it back into Excel, you'll see now everything is concatenated together. Let's say, I'll hit Control Z there. I want to keep the numbers separate, but I want to get all the letters together. Then I can do something like a look behind, right? So look behind A through Z. I have my regular expressions set up so that they don't match the case, so I don't have to worry about doing capital or lowercase letters in this situation. So see now, and if it's an A through Z that comes in front of a tab, it'll only search those. It's not going to look for the numbers. Replace those with nothing. Now if I do that, or copy that into Excel, you'll see I have two columns here because they're tab delimited. If I wanted to say, just get rid of the tabs that follow a number, instead of an A through Z here, I could put a 0 through 9. Or even the regular expression character for a digit, which is \D. And I'll get the same result. So that's how you can use regular expressions to do some quick edits when you're looking at a lot of Excel notebooks. Obviously, once you get to over 1 million files, you're going to want to start using, maybe Python or something that can aggregate. But when it's just a couple thousand lines, Notepad++ works real well, and I like their regular expression engine.